Perfect replacement for an old transformer and will work with any wired door chime. Quick and easy installation, simply mount to electrical box via threaded connector or screw down and connect the wires of the door chime. Input, 120 volt AC, 16 VAC/10 VA output, UL certified for safety and quality. Pair with Newhouse Hardware's two-tone chimes to complete your upgraded doorbell installation. Search for models, CHM1, CHM2 or CHM3D. Please note, this transformer is not compatible with Ring Pro and other smart video doorbells. Please search P07HKQ4GC3 for a compatible transformer. Top reviews from the United States. Doorbell works now. Installed this to fix my doorbell. It replaced the bad one with no modifications. Doorbell works now.